To make the salami, you need the gut or the salami casing. So you can buy this online or from your butcher, and you should put it with the water, a teaspoon of vinegar, and wait that become very soft and the salt go away in the water. During this time we can see the intro, and after let's see the ingredients. To prepare the salami from Piemonte, north of Italy, you need the meat of a cow and the belly of the pork. 700 grams of cow, 300 grams of belly pork, and the spices: the black pepper, minced, and also the normal one, or grain is better. 4 grams in total, 30 grams of salt, and 30 ml of wine, and you can add other spices that I will write down for you. Now we should mince the meat, and after we will add all the ingredients. For this process we need the help of the houseman.
Good morning at all. I have the machine for the salami.
So now we will mix everything inside, we will mince everything inside the machine. Okay, mix all the ingredients together. Now we should put our meat inside the gut. So now we put the gut in the machine here. I forgot how to say, we close the gut with the
kitchen twine,
and after we start putting the meat inside. Okay, now with the
kitchen twine,
we should tie our salami, and after we anneal, we should make some hole in the gut. In this way the air will go out and our salami can mature in the proper way. If not, if we keep the air inside, we will spoil it. Okay, tied our salami. After with the nail, probably you notice, I make some hole in the gut. In this way, all the air inside go out, sorry. Now we have a break. We open a homemade beer. I see you later to speak about the mature or maturation. I don't know the real word in English. Spettacolo.
Sta birra, bravo.
Okay, now we should age our salami. First of all, you should wait 1 or 2 days, 24-48 hours, with the salami at room temperature, because they should dry a little bit. Depend of the temperature where you live. The best temperature is 20 Celsius degree, but if it's more, like now, because in Italy it's summer, you can wait only 1 day. If not, you can wait 2 days. And after, you should put
In the basement, but you have to look what basement is, because it's if it's very cold, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. If the basement is hot, 1 week, 2 week, depend. You have to see because the temperature is very important. If you not have the basement in the fridge, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, because the fridge is 2-3 degree Celsius
Yeah.
degree,
will
and
be too cold.
okay, you look, you taste it, and if it's very
Hard, you can eat it.
yeah,
It's ready. So see you maybe in 1 week to check the aging of our salami. Okay, the same of the salami from the south of Italy, from Calabria. After 24 hours at room temperature, more or less 25 Celsius degree, we should put our salami in the basement where there is 15 Celsius degree, and we should keep more or less 3 weeks. So next week I will check if they are aging in the right way, and we can check also the salami from Calabria. See you in 1 week. After few days on the salami, you will find the white salami mold or the noble mold. Don't worry, it's mold that help the salami to have the right taste and to be preserved. Now is after 1 week. After 1 week at 18 Celsius degree, you should put the salami in another basement with 10-12 Celsius degree, if you can. If not, you should be careful to check if they remain soft, they are not too much hot. You should check. The best way is what I say: 1 week 20 Celsius degree, and after 2-3 weeks with 10-12 Celsius degree. But if you cannot, you can put in the fridge, so you should try. If you do few salami like this, you can make a test, and after, when you know your capacity or your opportunity, depend on the basement that you find, the place that you have, after you can try to make more. So now this salami is what's happened after 1 week. See you next week to check what's happened after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you can see that the mold is too much. The problem is that the temperature is too high, because in this basement we have 21 Celsius degree. Like I said last week, the best way is with 10, maximum 15. So now I will remove it. I will clean a little bit to remove the majority of mold, and after I will put in the fridge. This is not the best time of the year in Italy to make the salami, because usually we do this in the winter. But now is summer. So if you try to make it in a place where there is hot weather, this is the solution. After that they start to make the mold, you put in the fridge. Now I go ahead with the other salami, the one from Piemonte, from the north, and also with the one from the south, from Calabria. And after I put them in the fridge. Spectacular.
Spettacolo.
After 2 weeks, like with the spicy salami, we have tested this one from the north of Italy. We have the same problem for the other one. I don't know if you saw the other video. This is why we mention again, because the problem is
The temperature. If we put the salami in the fridge, there's a pepper. They put the salami in the fridge and the temperature is under 5 degrees. It's a big problem because the gut removed from the meal, and if the air entered to the meal, it's a problem because the meal is dark, and we put in the garbage all the salami.
yeah, the important that the meat doesn't go in contact with the hair. If not, we throw away everything. We was near to throw everything away because this fridge get the temperature of 2 Celsius degree, so it's too low. Okay, we test it also with the beer. With the beer is spectacular. Here you can subscribe to the channel, here to his channel, and down you can see other 2 videos, one about the beer and one about the machine to make the salami. Remember that if you have some questions, some requests, some advice, always you should write down in the comments. Bye bye.
Bye bye.